In this video, I want to give you 5 root ideas for how to creatively get different YouTube video tags that will be relevant for your video. And these will be just ideas for now. There's no particular order except from the simplest. The simplest, of course, are tags that are related to the title of the video, naturally, right? Because if you're making a video about socks, well, why don't you have socks in your tags? That's just common sense. But then after that, what do? Well, you can get tags, of course, related to your personal brand. Like for my music, it's Alex Genadinik music. And that's cool because you know what? If let's say somebody interviews me, or I have maybe multiple channels, like one channel is about reaction videos about other people's music, another channel is my own original music. Well, if I just keep tagging everything and if I keep mentioning Alex Genadinik music, people who liked those videos, YouTube will know, hey, Alex Genadinik music, people click on that when YouTube posts that perhaps on people's home page. So that's a good tag for next videos to have. So you want to build popularity on your own personal brand. For example, there is a boxing coach that I love. He's very old and I watch his videos on YouTube. And he has a very distinctive name, like he has a unique name. And one time he was interviewed on some like super beginner channel. That channel has like 12 views. And they have like one video with 12 views, another video with 10 views, and then another video with that coach. And it just was titled Video with That Coach. That had 100,000 views. Because YouTube knew that people who liked that coach's video would enjoy that one. So recommended it despite being on a bad channel. So that's the power of having your own unique brand that's popular. After that, you want to have general tags associated with your genre. Like let's say funny videos in case you're making funny videos, or blooper videos in case you're making blooper videos. Or in my case, maybe it's music, so soft rock or singer-songwriter music. Things like this will be relevant. Of course, these will be really hard to get recommended because, of course, there's gajillion songs I have to compete with. And every genre has a gajillion videos that they have to compete with. But in a perfect world, this would be great. And it helps YouTube categorize your video a little bit. Especially if you want them to recommend you to the right people, helping them categorize your video is really helpful. Of course, they'll do it themselves, but why not aid them, especially in the beginning? So let's keep moving to the next ideas. Next is, especially if you're unknown, you want to tag a few competitors, like competitor brands, or people who make similar content to yours. And if there's a specific video, you want to have a tag related to that specific video. So for example, if maybe you have enough space in your tags, you can actually put a slightly longer version that's very close to the version of the full competitor's video title. Because if that video title has millions of views and you have a new video, well, wouldn't it be amazing to piggyback off of that one to get recommended from when people watch that video, so the YouTube recommends you after they watch that. So these ideas should be starting points for where you get your tag ideas. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do this practically with a tool called TubeBuddy. And we're going to actually do tag research using a premium account of that tool, so you can see how powerful starting from these ideas can be.